The journey on the Srinagar-Leh highway. Amazing, awesome, through the snow deserts. Different checkpoints and signs on the highway. Glimpses of the Tibetan prayer flags. Magnificent views of gorges and the Grand Canyon-like spectacles, very much in India. Locations where the topography and rock carves and contours amaze you. And what mind-blowing views of the snow-capped mountains. As a constant companion, you have River Indus flowing beside you. Halt for a quick bite and beverages at the aptly named Indus Cafe. This truly is a lifetime experience. Soothe your eyes with the yearn for the color yellow in the vast mustard seed fields which adorn the region like yellow carpets. We arrived at the Alchi village, the location of the world-famous Alchi monastery or Alchi Gompa, which is a Buddhist monastery known more as a monastic complex of temples. Known as the oldest monastery in Ladakh, Alchi Monastery is basically a monastic complex situated in Alchi village in the Leh district. The complex has 4 separate settlements with monuments dating back to different times. The paintings in Alchi Monastery are some of the oldest surviving paintings in Ladakh. Alchi is also part of the 3 villages that constitute the Alchi group of monuments. The other 2 villages are the Mangyo and the Sumda Chun. The monuments in all these 3 villages are reckoned to be of unique style and workmanship. The history of Alchi Monastery states that it was created by the famous scholar, translator Rinchen Zangpo in the 10th century. However, the inscriptions preserved in the monuments ascribe its creation to a Tibetan noble, Kaldan Shesrab, later in the 11th century. The architecture of the Alchi Monastery is of Tibetan style. The monastery complex has 3 major shrines: the Dukhang, Assembly Hall, the Samtsek, and the Temple of Manjusri. There are also short ends in the complex. Wall paintings are the major attractions here, and they depict details of both Buddhist style and the Kashmiri style. The complex houses a huge statue of Buddha and lavish wood carvings and artwork similar to the Baroque style. As we proceeded towards Leh, another spectacular location which made us go spellbound was the Zanskar Valley. Zanskar or Zaher or Zangskar is a sub-district or tehsil of the Kargil district which lies in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. The administrative center is Padam. Zanskar together with the neighboring region of Ladakh, was briefly a part of Kingdom of Kuj in western Tibet. Zanskar lies 250 kilometers south of Kargil town on NH 301. The Zanskar Range is a mountain range in the Union Territory of Ladakh that separates Zanskar from Ladakh. Geologically, the Zanskar Range is a part of the Tethys Himalayas and approximately 100 kilometers wide. Synclinorium, formed by strongly folded and imbricated, weakly metamorphosed sedimentary series. The average height of the Zanskar Range is about 6,000 meters, which is 19,700 feet. And its eastern part is known as Rupshu. Majestic monasteries, breathtaking scenic highways, valleys, which are a lifetime experience. Our Ladakh trip was becoming more and more enriching as we proceeded further.